Caray, foda.
¿Cómo?
Caray, foda.
This combination is called Doodh soda, and it's actually a common drink in some part of Asia. Doodh soda was originated from the Victorian era, because doctors would recommend the mix of soda water with milk as a beneficial drink against diseases. In 1948, 7-Up ads pushed it as a family-friendly beverage, with a recipe pamphlet advising parents to entice children who won't drink milk by adding equal amounts of 7-Up, producing a wholesome combination, with a flavor appeal that specially pleases children. By the 1960s, 7-Up had been introduced to Pakistan, and people would use 7-Up instead of Banta soda to make Doodh soda, since it caught up on the trend. It was also more convenient since the bottle of 7-Up would only cost 30 paisas. Even nowadays, the drink is especially popular during Ramadan, the holy month when Muslims fast from sun-up to sundown. Since I mostly drink water, I have to buy some 7-Up.
Where's 7-Up? I only find Sprite. Oh, 7-Up.
It's really not as bad as I thought. It has the creaminess of the milk and the sugar and fizz from the 7-Up. I can really understand why this is popular during the Ramadan. After not eating for the whole day, you would really want a creamy and soothing beverage. In a way, it kinda tastes like Yakult.